It's a beautiful day in the industrial looking Angeles City. It's very windy today. It's Saturday around 3:45 p.m. I'm going to look for some apartments right now. This apartment, the Wi-Fi has been acting up. And just wanted to look at some new places. Just check it out. I'm just gonna record this. They're doing some work on the Casino Filipino. Not exactly sure what they're doing, but there's scaffolding. I heard some welding. And also they're doing some work in back of the casino. I'm gonna have to check out what they're building one of these days, or maybe later. On MacArthur Highway. Here's a place for rent over here. And there's a number. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, condo units for rent. And it looks like it has its own balcony. And it's has bars in front of the balcony. But yeah, looks like it's a balcony because it has doors. So maybe check that out. Maybe I'll go inside and check to see if there's any caretaker here I can ask. How much are the rooms over here?
It's only one, sir. They available.
Only one available? How much is it per month?
You can see it, sir.
I can see it? Okay,
Yes.
perfect. Oh, thank you.
Yes, sir. Just follow me, sir.
Okay. Check out the room. Yeah, only one unit available. Yeah, check it out. See. Very spacious. It's kind of like the ones that I looked at before. Window, big space over here.
That's the only one?
Yes, sir. So
Decent,
only one.
decent flow.
How much is it?
It's 11,000.
Go in here. Have a bedroom and the window, and it has a cabinet area to put the clothes and stuff. That always helps. And seems pretty clean in here for the most part. Got the shower area. It's like relatively new faucet, shiny faucet. Got the window in the bathroom, always important. So little how much are how much?
11,000, sir.
20?
11.
Oh, 11. Okay. So this is 11. And then I see you got have room upstairs. Are those the same price, the ones with the balconies?
No, it's a storage type only. It's 8,000. But it's only fully booked, sir.
Oh, okay. So
It's already fully booked.
okay, and those have balconies upstairs, right?
Yes, sir.
And those are only 8K?
No, sir. The range is different. Differences. There's 11,000, 12,000, and 13,000.
Okay, what's how much is like the cheapest room with the balcony?
No, sir. It's only studio type.
Oh, it's only studio type? Oh, okay, so I thought I saw balconies up there where you could walk out and they have like the
It's
bars
only
in front of
in,
it.
in the front.
Oh, it's only in the front. So how much is like one of those rooms?
It's the One room here it's 13,000, then
13.
12,000, then 11,000.
Okay, so that's the 11 to 13 basically. Here's a little shanty town over here, or like a not a town, but like a rustic building. And I think there's people that there's people that live over here. It's just a little bit run down. And as we continue our walk, there's like probably lots of places to rent that some places don't look like traditional apartment buildings. They look more like, I don't know, warehouses or something like that. Oh. I almost stepped in poop. So maybe we'll go deeper. Yeah, we'll go deeper into Mountain View right now to look for apartments. And here's some apartments for rent over here. Stalls 7.5, apartment 7,000. And these are the stalls over here. But the apartment kind of looks run down a little bit. Basketball hoop. And these are the apartments. It's kind of run down in there. I don't think that's really worth 7K. We've come to this T section over here. I think I have an idea where we are. I think over here this leads to MacArthur Highway, and then this way just goes further, basically deeper into Mountain View over here. So we're gonna go deeper into Mountain View, and this is kind of a nice street over here. They have a wall with some trees over there. I'm not sure what's behind that wall. But it's a very nice breeze. Gorgeous day out. This is like the perfect weather right now. Some apartments over here. I don't see a for sale sign. This is Mindoro Street. That looks like a pump station over there. There's a looks like a house for rent over here, and we can take a peek in there. Yeah, this looks like a house. So if you guys want to check that out. Right across from the pumping station. Looks like there's lots of places to rent around here. There's another spot. I'm not sure if this is a house. Kind of looks like a house in a way. Yeah, looks like there's lots of places in Mountain View. and I might find a hidden gem somewhere. I'm not sure. I have to keep on looking. But it's really the perfect time to take a walk. Feels like I'm in a tropical paradise. With cookies all around. We're on the intersection of Quezon and Lazare Street. And we start walking down this street over here. It's like apartment buildings over here. Here's what looks to be apartment buildings. It's like a, I guess that's like the outside area where you cook and kind of just like it's almost like they're just building it maybe, or remodeling or something. Looks like they're just building these. I wonder how much these apartments gonna be. Do you guys know how much these apartments are going to be? Oh, it's not finished yet?
The owner's down there.
Oh, the owner's down here? Okay. Continue our walk. Yeah, so that place is... we asked the two guys standing out in front, and they said it's not finished yet. The owner's around the corner or something, so maybe we'll go back and check that out. I just want to see what's down in this dead end over here. There's music over there. Yeah, it looks like a dead end. I just want to see what's down here. Oh, okay. Looks like maybe just like property or something like that. I don't want to bother those people. Like the dog is barking. Huh? Oh, there's like a river down there? Okay. I know, but they're having a whole party over there. Yeah, so I don't want to disturb them. So. Yeah, so these apartments, they said that they'll be done in about a week, and it's going to be around 8,000 pesos per month. And yet another place for rent. This looks like a pretty big place over here, and it's actually for rent. There's a number. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's the number over there. So there you go. It's called the. Oh, this is what this place is called over here.
After this, then we head back.
Oh yeah. It's right next to this church over here. It's very nice. So it's right next door to that. Yep, it'll be interesting hearing that bell, waking up to that bell in the morning. And I'm on the busy street over here. I think that's Aniceto Street, so there's a lot of noise and traffic. But there's another place for rent. So right now, so that's pretty much all the places, well, not all the places, but we pretty much looked at a lot of places. So yeah, there's a lot of noise on this street. So I'll see you guys in the next one.